I'm again welcoming you to the new session of our Digital One Box, which is a Webmaster overview. So we'll be having a detailed discussion on Google Analytics, Webmaster, search and optimization, search engine marketing, and all those topics in a detailed version later on. So today we are going to discuss about a very brief introduction about the Webmaster tool. So this is a tool which is used for a purpose of auditing the website performance, like how is your website performing, like in terms of a speed, in terms of all those search queries. I mean, what all keywords are actually getting us a traffic, then what all errors are actually making us to have a flaw in Google, through which Google is not allowing us to rank in a Google SERP pages, all those stuff. So Google Webmaster is a free service tool which can be utilized by any of the service, any of the product of any of the business. It could be a low level, or it could be a high level, or it could be a middle level. So Google Webmaster tool is a conductor of data from the biggest web search tool on the world to you, with a bit of knowledge of helping your site, getting and enhance your site. So we would like to help you the screening of your website performance. It checks the content present on your website. It makes it conceivable to submit new pages of a website. For example, if you wanted to submit this is for example for a blog. So every day a bloggers, post their new blogs. So with the help of Google Webmaster, you can ask Google to crawl your new pages so that it can be crawled on a Google and can be ranked on a Google search page. It helps in delivering the most valuable content to the client for the real experience. Yes, you can keep up your site without distributing its essence in query time. For example, if you wanted to search what all keywords are driving a traffic to you in a month, or what all keywords are driving a traffic to you in a quarterly, so that you can recognize, and these can be used later on to the Google AdWords, to the paid medium, so that we can use all those keywords later on. And we can also create, if a few keywords which are having the highest number of clicks and good number of impressions, then you can use these keywords as the targeted keyword, and then you can create a blog for them. Yes, it enables you to find and remove malware or spam issues that may not be effectively found through different matters. Yes, it also shows you the crawling errors and the crawling spam things which are coming on your website, which are actually so there are 404 error, there is a 505 error. There are so many types of error which are available on a server end, on a different level platforms. So these can be recognized through Google Webmaster. It also suggests you by giving you search query which are most traffic to your website, which I have already discussed to you. If you have changed the structure of a website, then you can submit your new sitemap of a website by asking crawlers to crawl them. Yes. So if you have revamped your website and you wanted Google to recrawl your website, then you can ask them to recrawl so that your website can be visible in the Google. You can also check what all outbound and inbound links are available to your website. Yes, this is very important and crucial thing. It tells you how many backlinks you have got on your website, what links are coming from your website, and what all links are coming to your website from and to. So this is very important thing. How GWT causes you see how Google search sees your site. It discloses you to the most prominent question making your site show up in your list item. It reveals to you which questions are driving the most traffic. You can see which sites are connecting to yours, and you can also access how versatile site is performing for individuals looking on tablet and in telephones. Yes, I've already told you these are the features. So what are the most effective way to set up GWT? This is a very technical part which everybody wants to see, that how they can set up the Google Webmaster. So I'll give you a very brief thing. Before getting to any information, you need to check all those stuff of your website. You have to transfer HTML document, include HTML tag. You can also supply that Google space name to the drop down thing. Also use Google Analytics utilizing Google Tag Manager and all those. Then you can submit that XML sitemap to your Google Webmaster. So submitting this sitemap to your Google Webmaster tool is a very thing, because if you wanted to recognize all of your pages from your website. So that's all today for Google Webmaster overview, and that's a very brief introduction. We'll come to the dashboard. We'll have a very detailed explanation of all those stuff. So thank you very much. At last, if you have any queries related to this, please write us on info@digitaloneBox.com. Thank you so much.